Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T-Rex Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the home screen to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the Wi-Fi. It's right here. Once you find it, tap on it, and here, if it's disabled, if the Wi-Fi is disabled, enable it. The watch will start searching for the nearby networks you can connect to. Find the network you want to connect to. Once you find it, tap on it. And now we need to enter the password on the phone that is paired with our watch. So on the phone that is paired with our watch, we will see this pop-up. Basically, we have this window. We need to tap here and enter the password. And then we need to tap on connect in the top right corner. And now we can go back to our watch. It should say connecting on the network we selected. And if you enter the password correctly and the network is working, it should say connected after it's done. No, it says failed to connect. Let's try again. I'm gonna enter the password again. Let's try again. Hopefully this time it will work. If not, we're gonna try to select a different network. Looks like it won't work. So let's check something else. Maybe this one. Okay. And now, as you can see, it connected and it says connected on the network. And once it does, we can go back by pressing the back button to go back, rather a couple of times, my bad. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.